subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Oppo has launched its new affordable phone under A series in India called Oppo A15. Talking about the specifications, the Oppo A15 supports a 6.52-inch HD Plus display with a large 20:9 aspect ratio, and it has a water drop notch at the top center that carries a 5-megapixel selfie camera. The rear panel of the phone features a triple camera setup in square module at the top left corner, including LED flash. The AAA camera includes a 13-megapixel main camera with f2.2 aperture plus 2-megapixel macro and 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. Under the hood, the phone is powered by an MediaTek Helio P35 chipset paired with PowerVR GE8320 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 3GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage that can be further expandable up to 256GB via microSD card slot. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 10 with ColorOS 7.2 skin on top. The device comes equipped by 4230 mAh battery with 10W charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features an rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a micro USB charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164 by 75 by 8 mm and it weighs around 175 grams. Now, talking about the pricing and availability details. The Oppo A15 has been priced in India at 10,990 Indian rupees. And it is said to be available soon for purchase in the country in dynamic black and mystery blue color options. So, what do you guys think of this Oppo A15 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.